All right, I'm here with Hunter. What number were you again?
45.
45. So Hunter was in there, he came and he's showing us a little hack he did with opening up the back hatch. So we get a lot of people ask about if you can open the hatch from inside the vehicle. Well, Hunter's done it, so I want to show you a video of that. So I'm here at the back of the vehicle, obviously, and we've taken down this plastic piece. It's right here. And then Hunter, a while back, rigged up this, which is really cool. So this is a zip tie with a strap, and that's how the rear hatch, the hatch itself opens. And that is connected to right there. So he's just sitting there at night or whatever and goes like that, and it opens up. And then on these hatches, the window also opens up from, you know, the back. But he has rigged that also, so when you pull this strap, the window pops. And that is right in there for that secondary unit. So, you know, it's pretty simple, and we haven't done this yet, so this is cool that we saw one in person. And then right here, this little mount, that's like a ram mount, Hunter was saying, and so he stuck this on the back window, so when it opens up, he can just grab this. So that pretty much ends the video, and hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave comments if you have any suggestions on how we can make this a little bit better, but we might be doing this in the future and maybe even selling something like that. I don't know. There's not enough information on it, and it'll be a nice convenience to have. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.